Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet this candle coaster. Okay, as usual we will be starting with the slip knot. Here I make my slip knot. After slip knot we will make 3 chain crochet stitches. Now we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. And we will make a chain crochet stitch. Now because of joining the first and last stitch, see we get a very small circle, a tiny circle in between, tiny gap in between. It is small but it is big enough for a needle to pass through. So now we will make 20 double crochet stitches, and each time we will yarn over, insert a needle in that tiny circle, and just don't take that free end yarn into your stitches. And this is how we will make a double crochet stitch. Okay, so we are going to make 20 double crochet stitches. Each time we will yarn over, insert a needle in that tiny circle, grab the yarn, pull through and complete a double crochet stitch. Similar pattern we are going to make 20 double crochet stitches. Okay, see, yarn over, insert the needle, pull the yarn and make a double crochet stitch. Just following same way, make 20 double crochet stitches. So this is how it looks after completing. Now we will join first and last stitch with the slip stitch. This was our basic round, foundation round. Now for the second round, see, we will use back thread. See, this back thread of every single stitch. Okay, so we will make 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch, and both stitches we are going to make in only using back thread of every single stitch. So for second round, pattern is 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch, and just by using back thread of every single stitch. If any of you want to refer tutorial video for double crochet stitch, link is already given in description. It is in that I have given very slow demonstration and quite easily I have explained it, of course with written notes. So please do refer that video, and it's quite easy to understand. See, I have completed my second round also. Now as usual we will close this round, complete this round by joining first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Now we will make one double crochet stitch. See, we will make one double crochet stitch. Okay, the same stitch where we have made that slip stitch to join first and the last stitch. Okay, now we will make a double crochet stitch. After that we will make 3 chain crochet stitches, 3. Then again a double stitch in the same stitch where we made our first double crochet stitch. So we get a triangle. Okay, now we make 2 chain crochet stitch, and we will skip now 2 stitches, and in third stitch we will again make a double crochet stitch. Same pattern, double crochet stitch, 3 chain crochet stitch and a double crochet stitch in one stitch itself. Then 2 chain crochet stitches, skip 2 stitches, and again in third stitch we have to again make that triangle. A double crochet stitch, 3 chain crochet stitch, and again a double crochet stitch. So like, see, we are getting these small triangles. Okay, so like we are going to do same pattern all around the circle. I'll just complete this thing and I'll show you. See, now here we are done with our framework, complete framework. Okay, our further design is going to come on this framework. Now see, we are going to work only, first we'll cut this yarn because we don't need it anymore. See, it is going to be this way. Okay, so we are going to work in 2 triangles. So first we will attach a new yarn. So we will make one slip stitch in on the double crochet stitch that is coming to the left hand side of a triangle, of any triangle. Okay, Then we are going to make 12 single crochet stitches around that double crochet stitch. Okay, 12 single crochet stitches around that double crochet stitch. Basically we are hiding that stitch. Okay, see, I'll explain you bit more properly. See, this is a middle round, middle circle. Okay, then these are the triangles we have made. A triangle, then a space in between, then a triangle, and those are the chains covering that triangles. Okay, see. Okay, now see, we start from this double crochet stitch and we are going in a circular way. We start from here, turn around, we go to next one, then from there we go to the upper chain, then the middle chain, then the next chain of next triangle, then again we come around, we go down, again we go up. So this is how our design is going to be, and there we stop, we cut our yarn. Okay, now here we will continue again with our single crochet stitches around that double crochet stitch of a triangle. Left hand side, we start with the left hand side double crochet stitch of a triangle. Okay, once we are done with those 12 stitches, we will just turn in the circular way. We will make our design upside down, and now we switch to next double crochet stitch, and again we will make 12 single crochet stitches around that one double crochet stitch. See, this is how 12 double crochet stitches around that. I'm so sorry, I'm extremely sorry. 12 single crochet stitches around that one double crochet stitch. See, now here we are done with the 12 single crochet stitches around the two double crochet stitches of a triangle. Now comes the chain part, and now in chain, on the chain we are going to make 7 half double crochet stitches around that chain. Okay, third part of a triangle. So it's 7 half double crochet stitches around that chain. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. Done with 7 half double crochet stitches. Now see, next chain comes, and that chain is between two triangles. Okay, so on that chain we are going to make, around that chain we are going to make 7 double crochet stitches. Okay, so 7 double crochet stitches around the chain which is between two triangles. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. Now we are done with 7 double crochet stitches. Now comes the next triangle. In next triangle we are going to repeat complete pattern of first triangle as it is, only in reverse manner. Like here we will start with the chain. Okay, there we ended with the chain. Here we will start with the chain. We are going to make 7 half double crochet stitches around that chain, holding two double crochet stitches in that triangle. There we make 7 half double crochet stitches. See how our design goes, and again turn around. Okay, now we go to right hand side double crochet stitch, and we will make 12 single crochet stitches around that double crochet stitch. There it is done. And now we will turn our work upside down in a circular way. We will go to the next double crochet stitch of that triangle, and we will make 12 single crochet stitches around that triangle, and done. Our design is done. See, this is how it looks. It's half done now. Now we will make 12 single crochet stitches around that next double crochet stitch. I'll just complete thing and I'll show you. Complete this thing and I'll show you. Now this is how our pattern is going to look, our design is going to look like. Okay, so like we are going to repeat this whole design in every two triangles. I'll complete this whole thing and I'll show you. Once we are done with this pattern, now last step is going to be, we will make one slip stitch in each single stitch all around the pattern, all around the design. Okay, one slip stitch in each single stitch all around the design. So we will just go in reverse way. Okay, till the first stitch. I'll just complete this whole thing and then our pattern is done. Then we have to repeat this complete thing in a set of two triangles. I'll just complete the whole thing and I'll show you. So this is how a pattern is going to look like once we are done with the complete pattern and the slip stitch also. So you need to adjust those. See, I've overlapped those frills. This is my final piece. So if you like the video, please like, comment and share. And if you have not yet subscribed, I'll request you to please do subscribe my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha, as I'm coming up with lots and lots of videos. So please subscribe Sanjs Aasha. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.